Alright, y'all are about to get an exclusive look behind the scenes, okay? Behind the scenes.
Jimmy, my fever's totally gone! Jim! Jimmy, I know you're in there, I just saw you! Jimmy!
Cut, I think we got that one.
Okay, go, moving on.
Yeah, Josh should do it again. Elijah wants to go again.
One more?
Help! Help! Help me!
Stay with me every single time.
Camera speeding. 1 second. Give me a second to set. I am set.
Action!
We just got Ritter working out, breaking a little sweat on the camera. Oh, do that again, do that again. Yeah, do that one again. And then we got Alexander just kind of laying down, chillaxing. He's so into it, I love it.
Get back, please. What do you mean? I need help. Honey, we all need help, okay? We all need help.
Keep going. Keep going.
Say about Freddy.
He's the best friend he always wished he had.
You know, a lot of people don't like Freddy. And,
A little bit true.
I'm serious. A lot of people don't like Freddy, and I totally understand why. He's kind of a terrible person.
Alright guys, so it's day 5, filming Bird's Eye. We're inside of a house right now. I think we're gonna do a couple of shots with the star Melissa. She's right there. And then I think after that, actually, let me take a look real quick. Falcon directing Melissa Darling. Look at the two working hard. And then we got Tyler Smith, just chilling. Smiling Phil. How do you think his filming is going so far?
It's been a good time. Shit, it's been good.
Oh, I can't zoom in. I was gonna zoom in on Tyler's face. He looks pissed. Wait. ADs be like. We walk in here and we got Frankie doing absolutely nothing.
What do you mean? Hi.
What is all that?
What the fuck? You want another station?